Welcome to the EngView Parametric Library of POP POS displays and multi-part structures. With over 500 resizable standards for corrugated and rigid board materials, the library offers a wide range of ready-to-use designs. You'll find the standards grouped by application: floor displays like shelf, cell and step displays, counter displays and wall structures. The library has a large section with interesting furniture and exhibition stand designs, from inverted corrugated material like ribboard or xanita. The EngView display library is regularly updated with the latest industry-endorsed structures and materials. Thanks to the powerful search tool, finding what you need is fast and intuitive. Let's say you search for a shelf display. Within seconds, you'll see a variety of design templates, each with 2D and 3D previews. You can open them in the EngView software or Adobe Illustrator to start your project. Once you've selected a design, all its parts appear in the master canvas, along with the key structure parameters. You can easily change the number of shelves and edit the length and width of each part. The design updates instantly. The structure is recalculated automatically. The power of a parametric design. To prove that the structure is correct, you can see the updated 3D model. All library standards come with a predefined folding sequence, allowing users to follow the entire assembly process of the multi-part display in real time. Dream, create and succeed with the EngView suite.